Hey guys, it's Tech Gaming Co. again. Now it's time for something different in this video. I want to share with you the top 5 of, well, I was thinking now, a top 5 video of stuff to do with a computer. Now, it's called, the top 5 of something to do with a computer. The channel's called Tech Gaming Co, so maybe it's got to do something with a gaming computer. So, in that case, don't you get it? In that case, I picked top 5 gaming cases for a computer. So, let's get started. At number 5 is the Antec 1200. Now, as you can see, it's a relatively square case. It's got some good features about it. Very colourful. The lights on it. And that's what people look for in a gaming computer, really. They look for something that has got lights and looks absolutely epic. Now, it's made out of steel, so it will be very, very reliable. It's not one of them plastic game cases. Not one of them plastic computer cases either. It definitely is one of the top quality of makes. That is why it's £145. Now, this took some thinking, but the Coolmaster HAF XM is definitely a great game case. As you can see, it has got a mesh front panel just there with vents on the side, and apparently this has excellent bottom cooling. I know it sounds a bit, weird, but yeah, as you might have seen, there are the expansion slots, and if you look over to that side, what's that, you say? Well, the thing is, it's probably to help you open the computer. So there's basically a handle like you open a door to open the computer, which I think was a great feature. But this is why it's at number 4. At number 3, it's the Zalman Z11 Plus. This is a new game case, and as you can see, it is really sleek. It has open side panels with blue lights. Also, there's ventilation through the sides, so the only other place I've seen something like that is in a racing car, which is pretty cool. As you can see, the difference is the slots for like USB sticks and all of that are at the top of the computer rather than here, because that is where the sort of gaming, the games go, or the CDs, depending on what you're doing. But it's got the on button there, which clearly is visible, so it's a very user-friendly computer case, as well as rather great computer case. That's why it's at number 3. So next is the CM Storm Enforcer. This is brilliant, and also it comes with 2 pictures for you to view. The red lights, the front, the side panels, the game cases, the on button yet again at the top, just here when it comes up. As you can see, the USB ports, the ventilation, and the on button are all like the Zalman Z11 Plus. With the fan at the front, the red glowing lights, the ventilation is brilliant on it. The dust filters on the bottom and the front help clear away dust, and the reinforced front door protects vital devices in the computer, which is quite good. And also, there is water cooling, and, well, it supports water cooling, should I say. And the removable and rotational HDD cage for convenient installation. How about that? Number 2, for sure, there's a reason for that. Now at number 1, it's another CM, the CM Stormtrooper. Just have a look at that case. It has a handle on the top so you can pick it up, and just under the handle is the on button, as well as you can see the USB slots, the on button, and the handle. And just the design of it is absolutely brilliant. £130 of complete awesomeness. Now, if that isn't worth £130, then I don't know what is, because that thing is just unbelievably, just mind blowing. I think this is definitely the best case in the whole world. So, on that note, we'll leave you, and you can have a look just a little bit more detail at it. This brilliant, brilliant case.